How to change photo album cover on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down to the Albums section and tap on any album. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on the edit icon beside the album name. Once you're here, tap on the Photos icon below the album cover. You can now choose a photo from here. After that, tap on Done at the top right. As you can see, you have successfully changed this album's cover. Following these steps, you can easily change photo album cover on iPhone.